Today we are checking out the HOROW T05 Smart Toilet. This toilet seamlessly combines minimalist design with advanced hygiene. This one-piece smart toilet offers easy installation, an elongated bowl for added comfort, as well as hands-free two-way operation. You can utilize automatic or a foot open-close. And the built-in smart bidet provides a range of wash options, as well as a four-way flushing system. But what blows my mind most about this smart toilet is the fact that it not only comes with a remote control, so you can easily control anything you need to on the toilet, but it also has a heated seat, making it extremely luxurious. It also includes a dryer and temperature settings. But the features don't even stop there. It has an automatic deodorizer and an intelligent nightlight. It really does redefine your bathroom space and makes it so much more modern than it's ever been before. Upgrade to maximum hygiene, comfort, and innovation in a style that is as simple as it is modern. I didn't even know that features like this existed in a smart toilet, and I definitely recommend this one from the HOROW company if you want to immerse yourself in luxury every time you have to go to the bathroom.